Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name of Divanay. If you all don't know, you better all get to know. For those who are new, I want to welcome you, and for my return subscribers, hi, thanks for tuning back in. So today's video is literally going to be a vampire inspired glam look. I'm not that creative in doing those skeletons and all those type of things, but I thought, why not try and just feed off a vampire color look and just make it my own. To be honest, vampire gonna look pretty today, hence the earrings. So me a glam vampire girl. Oh, please subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, it's not gonna hurt you to subscribe to my channel. Press that red button and you won't be disappointed by me. Okay, people? So guys, let's get straight into the video. So right guys, I have done my foundation off camera. I use True L'Oreal Match in the color Toffee and Caramel. And I use my e.l.f. concealer in Tan Latte underneath my eyes, and the black pencil by MUA Academy in Jet Black. So that's what I've done before guys. Okay, this is going to annoy me today because I'm trying to do makeup and this thing keeps I'm trying to be a glam vampire here and it's not really working out right. So I'm going to take the concealer. So I'm going to take the Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the colour C10. That's what it looks like, and I am going to literally place it underneath my eye. Let me get my mirror. I'm not going to put too much. I don't need too much for a pretty vampire. You feel me? But yeah, I'm just going to do this first. I don't really have to put too much concealer on me because yeah, it's just not the one. And then I would take my orange little sponge and blend that all out. So now I have blended out my concealer. Why I keep calling it concealer? My concealer. And the next stage is for me to put the bacon underneath my eye, my nose, my forehead. I'm going to start the eyeshadow after that. But I'm noticing the concealer is not really, why I use Revolution concealer, it's not really blended out properly. Oh well, it's only a vampire look. Now I'm going to take the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and just leave the bacon underneath my eye. I'm going to put it on top of my eye. I'm so messy when it comes to putting on this baking powder. I don't know how to do it neatly. So I just placed the P. Louise base on my eyelids in the shade 4, and I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. And I'm going to apply my eyeshadow after this. Sometimes I always find that this foundation, I always find this some concealer is hard to blend. I don't know why, but I find it hard sometimes to blend it out. So now I'm going to use the Juvia's Lace palette called The Festival. And I'm going to take the colour Sacha. Actually no, I'm going to take the colour first called Manwa. I'll use colour Manwa just to start with my transitional colour. Then I'm going to go back in with that same brush and use the colour Sacha just to put underneath the colour Manwa. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline New York eyeliner gel, the lasting drama, to place on top of my eyelids. So again, I've used the bottom of this because it's quite hard just to get this on the eye. And the reason why I'm using the gel eyeliner first is because it gives it that jet black effect, and then I will place a black eyeshadow on top. So now let's try super blend. Guys, I feel like my eyeballs are gonna fall off. Well, I'm just trying to rub in this gel liner. It is nuts. I go back in with the colour Sacha, the red one. Blood red. This is all vampire vibes, people. Now I'm going to take the Juvia's place in the Saharan, and I'm going to use the colour Chad, just to place on top of the black gel liner. Now I'm going to go back in with the same Chad colour. I'll put that right underneath my eye. I'm looking scary. I'm looking scary. Oh! And go back in with the colour Sacha. So now I'm going to go in with some black glitter to place on top of my eyes with this glue I got from Amazon, and yeah. And then I'm going to go in with the red glitter and place this underneath my eye. So guys, I have finished the eye look. On one side, I'm literally going to go off camera and finish off the other one and place my eyelashes on. So guys, I'm back. I finished my other eye off camera. As you guys can see, I have applied the red glitter underneath my eye, like I said, and some black glitter on the other eye. But I did brush off the baking powder as well. Now I'm going to use the Radiance in medium to light contour palette just to darken my cheeks. I didn't put foundation on the edges of my head and just see my skin colour come through. Wait, does it even matter? Let me just blend it out with this powder. Guys, I put my foundation on, I didn't even put it on my forehead. I'm just put a bit of MAC powder in the colour NC45. Just here. Just like highlight it a bit. Now I'm going to take the Revolution Skin Finish in the Golden Glare and literally rub that all over my face. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that I always use this when I apply makeup. Give myself that golden, you know, type of finish. Guys, did I really? My forehead, we just cover that. So people, I'm gonna go back in with the Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna go in with this Yuli. I think it's called Yuli. Sorry guys, I'm pausing. This color Yuli. Just going to just highlight just on my cheekbones. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna use that ghostly look. So I'm going to just put that there. And on the other side, place it on my nose. Place it underneath my eyebrow. So now, the favorite part of this, I am going to take a black eyeliner and rub it all underneath my mouth. MAC lipstick in the color Ruby Woo. I'm going to place that on my lip now. Right guys, so I've just finished the lipstick, ombre type effect, but using a black pencil. And let me just take the matte finish, well, matte fix, sorry, or control spray and spray my face. Woo! Bring some hydration back into my face, people. If you guys like it, like, please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think, because right now a vampire is looking kind of cute. Yeah, jokes aside, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I actually enjoyed doing this. I'm not really a fan of Halloween, but I thought as we're in that little season, I have to give something to you guys, and this is what I came up with. Please guys, again, subscribe to the channel. Don't be a stranger. I'm not gonna bite. I'm not gonna hurt you guys. Just get involved with the family. Come and join me. Come and join me. It's time to end this video. Please stay tuned for the next one. Happy Halloween. Have fun. Dress up. Do crazy makeup. And yeah, just enjoy yourself. And I'd like to say bye to you guys. See you all. Love you all. Bye. Oh God, I didn't even sing. Nah, you guys don't want that today. See you later, guys. Bye.